Stands for teachers, parents, and students.
Oh, great, sir. Thank you.
So I am spending full time for these three set of people: parents, teachers, and students. So when I used to go around all these places for lectures, I will tell them I have got an old house in Kerala where people can come and stay with me to learn what they want. That was like a hermitage. People can come and learn life lessons. So I teach them
Yes, sir.
what life is. So
Yes.
many students, working people, teachers, young children, everybody used to come. That program was called Gnanam, Jnaanam, Gnanam. Send a WhatsApp on my number. I will give you all the links for this.
Okay, sir.
So
Definitely.
what that Gnanam does is lot of camp like this. So maximum when I go to Gulf for lectures, many of my students from Gulf used to come and join with me. So one of the student who joined is one girl called Rishika,
Okay.
and Rishika keep on asking lot of questions. She is one of my best student who ask a lot of questions. Last year I conducted a virtual camp called Moksha.
Okay.
Each camp is named different. That time what mood comes I will call. So most of the Gulf students have got vacation July, August, September because of the Muslim festival.
Okay.
So I conducted a camp Moksha in which I said 8th class onwards students are eligible. That time Rishika was only 7th class. So
Okay.
she still wanted to appear saying that no, I know it is for 8th class, but I am your student who came and stayed with you. I want to join you. Rishika's father took me to Abu Dhabi and I conducted camp for 150 children in Abu Dhabi in a Indian social club. So I stayed with as a guest of his.
Oh, great.
So I've got lot of children in different part of the world. 2 years back I went to USA, stayed there to teach Bhagavad Gita because of my students who are settled in America. So they took me and then made me to be part of it. So when Rishika asked question, Friday is a holiday in Abu Dhabi and otherwise today these are vacation time. So what Rishika does is Rishika will post one set of questions and then tell I want to discuss with you. So yesterday evening it came. So yesterday I had some session in the evening that was on astrology. That went up to 10 o'clock so I didn't get time. So today morning only I made a Google Meet and then posted to her, posted to my friends who are in communication with me. Those teachers would have sent it to you. So if you love to have such sessions, what can be done is if you have a group of people, you can make a group yourself, add me there or send me a WhatsApp, send this to somebody else. So that some people who are interested, young children also listen to this, they may not understand now. When they listen many times, they will understand. And different context. So no barrier, whether it is Bhagavad Gita, whether it is psychology, whether it is astrology, whether it is space science, whether it is biology, whether it is chemistry. So today I had mathematics, biology, ecology, artificial intelligence, numbers, how it went to Arabian country, and some English question which was prejudice versus, I forgot. So many questions were there. So all that was explained. So what I do is whatever happened today, I will edit them together and then put it onto my YouTube. So you did not miss anything though it is over. All
sir,
that what I
good.
told will be available on my YouTube. What was...
So sorry to interrupt, sir,
Yeah.
but I'm not aware of your YouTube channel, sir, actually.
I am
This
not
is the
that
first
famous.
time I'm interacting.
I am not that famous because I speak only serious things. Only
But we like that.
only serious
like
people.
that.
No time pass, no entertainment. Rarely because I was just I put a screen grab, store it. After that only I can vacate and go. If I shift my computer, then I will forget sometime to store it. So I will lose. That cannot be used for posting into YouTube. So I will also post that audience up. So I was just storing it, so I took some time. Though the session was over, I am into storing job. That's the time when
Okay, sir.
Pavitra entered. So I got some time. So I was
Sorry,
just
sir.
looking at whether my job is over. What do I do is I record
So
in.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
No. I record it audio. Now yours also I am recording.
Okay, sir.
So recording is done, and I've got another camera here which is recorded. I keep some 2 cameras. I record with all this, and everything is put together. I do that editing. Full day I edit, and then post it onto my YouTube. Maybe 100 people will see. But if I am sure people like this and then share it, make some comment, oh, I learned this. Maybe it will be useful. Somebody else also
Yes,
gets
sir.
motivated.
Definitely.
So I am glad that why I am saying namaskaram to that music teacher who had sent this. That music teacher happens to be, her daughter happens to be my,
Ma'am, sir.
yeah, her daughter happens to be my student. Lahari. I think, yeah, Pranita or Pranati.
No, sir. Lakshmi ma'am. Lakshmi ma'am.
Yeah, Lakshmi's daughter.
Sir,
Lakshmi's daughter was in Hyderabad.
I'm not aware, sir.
Yeah, I think that was the connection, I remember. Maybe.
Actually, I am new to this place, sir. So I'm new to this place. I'm not aware of anything.
Yeah, I think
I only know that man has got
Lakshmi's daughter was my student probably. I think I have got lot of engineering I visited more than 1,000 engineering colleges. Gave lectures.
Okay, sir.
I've got more than millions of teachers, students, parents in my. So once Pavitra keeps on listening to me, I'm sure you will get into my frequency. You understand, oh, what this man is talking.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay. But when you see, also comment.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
So that I know. Gundur, there are a lot of people for me.
Okay.
My students are there. Last time I was talking about biology. Somebody asked a question. But then somebody from KL University joined. And she was already a student of that course where somebody else wanted to join. So I do connecting people, career counseling. So I don't have to answer. I asked that girl to explain. Now Sri Harsha is there. Sri Harsha completed engineering and he is trying for civil service. He is a civil service aspirant. Okay.
Okay,
Glad.
sir. Thank you.
So send a WhatsApp message so that I will add you into my. You have my number
No, sir.
944 7437948.
Sir, please repeat again.
944
Yes, sir.
74
74
37
37
948.
948.
Otherwise,
Okay, sir.
Dr. Dr. TPS. Just search.
Okay, sir.
You will reach. Either you can put this telephone number, put my name and search. You will see maybe 10,000s of places where it is referred here and there.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank
And
you for giving
Gundur,
opportunity.
Dr. TPS Gundur. You will see my
Okay, sir.
lectures in Gundur.
Okay, sir.
You will see Dr. TPS Gundur. You will see some TEDx lecture also. My TEDx lecture was in Gundur.
Oh, great. Okay, sir. I'll definitely see.
That is creativity to
I'm
the
fond of that.
creativity to the power of infinity. How can you be creative? Otherwise, where are you from, Pavitra, originally?
So actually, I'm from Hyderabad. My husband works in education department, so he got shifted here.
Otherwise, Hyderabad, where are you?
LB Nagar, sir.
LB Nagar, yeah. Close to LB Nagar, there was
Dilshuk Nagar, like that.
Dilshuk Nagar was there. I used to go and give lectures Dilshuk Nagar with an organization called VWIN Academy. Many
Okay,
engineering college students. So I used to drive all these places. LB Nagar, then Kanchan Bagh, go to DRDO complex.
Sir, I studied in Kanchanbag, Kendriya Vidyalaya Kanchanbag.
Oh, I used to be a regular visitor. Kanchan Bagh, most of the army people were my students. I used to teach in 20 years back Lalita Sahasranamam there.
Okay. Maybe I was small at that time.
You
I
were
passed
very
out in 2009. Okay, sir.
I used
Thank
to
you.
stay in Safilguda, Malkajgiri.
Oh, okay, okay.
Now I stay in Seculage. Old
Sir, sorry, sir.
Begumpet, Seculage. Tirumalagiri.
Now you're interacting. Now you're interacting from there, sir.
I am there in Hyderabad now. Tirumalagiri.
Oh,
Seculage.
okay.
మీ వాళ్ళే పర్వాలేదండి.
No, that feel really gives a lot of stress relief.
I know.
Though we are interacting online, but it gives చాలా freedom అనిపిస్తుంది సార్. బాగుంటుంది.
కొంచెం వస్తుంది తెలుగు రాదు, అంత రాదు.
ఓకే.
ఎందుకంటే ఆమె మలయాళీ, ఐ వర్క్డ్ ఇన్ గవర్నమెంట్, సో లెస్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటరాక్షన్, బట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మై ప్యాషన్ అండ్ ఓదిరదు ఐ స్టడీడ్ ఇన్ కర్ణాటక. My PhD was in Karnataka, so I learned how to write, how to read. So Kannada Telugu is close. Script.
Yes, sir. Similar.
So I could రాయడానికి వస్తుంది, మాట్లాడడానికి, చదవడానికి అంత వస్తుంది. So you have not seen my ఈనాడు coverage.
Sir, by seeing, sorry to say, but by seeing your face, I am remembering something actually.
Yeah,
That's why.
you just type in Dr. TPS ఈనాడు, you will see one Sunday supplement. There was a beautiful
Yes, sir, I have
coverage.
seen.
Yeah.
I think I have seen somewhere. I have seen.
That ఈనాడు coverage came because earlier to that one Indian Express coverage came. And that
Okay.
Indian Express coverage came because I came to Gundur. Again, Gundur connection.
Okay.
The TEDx lecture, one of my colleague who gave another lecture in TEDx was an Indian Express person who was for Rice Bucket Challenge, one program for helping poor people.
Yes.
She was talking on that, I was talking on education, creativity and all that. So we became friends. So one day she was dialogue like this, like Pavitra is doing now. Just like that Sunday, one day she called me and said, I don't have any story to write. I have to finish some article. You tell your story, I will write. So that's how she published my online 24/7 WhatsApp Guru. That was the title given. So Indian Express Dr. TPS will take you to that. From there, Enadu fellow read that and he wanted to interview me. He came to this house and then interviewed me. That was
Okay.
1.5 years back.
Okay. Sir.
So that's another connection for Gundur with me. So I love Gundur people than Hyderabad people. The Hyderabad fellow who is in Tarnaka I met in Gundur, you can imagine. But there, her senior person, senior editor was close my friend. Close to me, and I used to write Indian Express articles when I was in 20-30 years back. So I told her, you joined Indian Express now, but I know your chief editor, I know your people, I used to write articles. So she became close to me. And today is 16th, tomorrow again I am hosting one of the discussion with her. 7:30 evening to 9 o'clock. The program is called What India Needs. That's a series of program for next 27 days. What India needs. So that also I will send you. Circulate it to everybody, make people to join, share knowledge. I only do one thing, Pavitra, learn and teach.
Yes, sir.
That's only what I have interest. That can be agriculture, that can be cooking, that can be space,
Yes,
that can be underwater, that can be anything. That can be Indian heritage, lot of yoga lectures, lot of travel and such lectures also you can see. Okay?
Yes. Okay, sir. Bye. Thank you.
So who else is there now in Dilshut? I mean your LB Nagar?
Like what, sir? Who else in the sense? Actually,
Ah,
my parents, my relatives, my cousins, everyone is in there.
LB
there
Nagar.
only, sir.
Okay.
I'll definitely share, sir.
So
Thank you,
what
sir.
is your husband's name?
Manohar, sir. Manohar Naik.
He is also from Hyderabad only traditionally?
Currently, he belongs to Kurnool, sir.
Okay. I
He
also
did his schooling.
I also wrote a poetry on before partition about Andhra districts.
Actually, due to this partition, we are here because he belongs to this area, this region, and I belong to that. So until I get a government job, I have to be here.
Your children also may love that all districts names I connected and wrote a poetry in Telugu.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Andhra districts Dr. TPS.
Okay.
Then you will get that poetry on YouTube. If you don't get, send a WhatsApp, I'll send you that.
Yeah, but sir, generally I annoy a lot because I too have many queries in my brain. So Sorry.
With the questions, you cannot annoy me. Because if I know, I immediately answer. And I love those people who ask question where I don't have knowledge. Because that gives me an opportunity to learn further.
yes.
So I love those people who ask questions to me. It's never annoying, but only thing, too many schedules. So
Yes, sir, I can understand.
WhatsApp is the best thing. Like Rushika is doing, she will collect all the questions one day and then decide Friday morning I'll come. But that too, yesterday evening only she did. So I was asking her today, at least give me one day so that I know. Because generally students are too busy these days. She has got drawing class, she has got dance class, she has got sports. She is from Abu Dhabi. So many activities. Mostly online. So no time at all. Children are more busier than older people now.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Where are
thank
your
you.
children?
Sir?
Where are your Manoharan's children?
Sir, they are beside me. My husband is in. Sorry, I'm not getting words because I'm quite nervous now. Here, my daughter. Say namaste to sir.
Namaste, sir.
What's your name, lovely girl?
My name is Vishwita.
I did not get.
Sai Hasvita.
Sai Hashita.
Yes, sir.
Has. Smile. Yeah, now you look beautiful. I like those hair done like this in two sides. Good. Next, who else?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Now you can show magic putting water in the mouth and then spitting. It will go like a pipe because your teeth is not there. Only you can do. Nobody else can do in your house. What's your name?
Sai Arun Tej.
Arun Tej. Yeah. Tej. Show your gap. Good. Wonderful. Manoharan is at home?
No, sir. He went to office, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.